Okay, do you remember us painting our paper plates last week? And we were actually painting a painting by the artist Monet, and we were doing like a bridge with lily pads, and we did our background, we did the water, and we did the trees and the sky. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be adding a bridge with water lilies and flowers. So we're just going to give the impression that there is a bridge and there are lily pads and flowers. It's just going to kind of look like it's a really pretty scenery. Not a lot of detail, but you can kind of tell what it is. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a bridge right here. So you need to make sure that you have your water side down. Remember, we had the green on the side and we had some green at the top, but we want to make sure that, see, that's my trees up there. So I want to make sure I want the bridge to go across the water. So what you're going to do is you're going to dip again, we're going to be using our fingers as our tools. We're going to dip our finger in the white. We're going to come to about midway on the page, and we're going to do an arch. Everyone can do a rainbow arch. And that's okay. Do you see how I'm kind of picking up some of that blue? That's okay. I can do that. That's good. I'm going to do an arch. And I'm going to come under it, and I'm going to do one more arch. Right up under it. Beautiful. And then I still have some white on my finger. I'm going to draw those posts. So I'm going to just do straight lines, down, down, and that's okay. Do you see how some of that green is coming through? That's good. It makes it look really realistic. And I'm going to do 3 little posts on my bridge. So now I have this beautiful little bridge, but I'm not done. Now I'm going to create some lily pads, and you have this really cool fluorescent green, which just means it's a glowy green. And I can even kind of go in with my white finger. That's okay. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that green on my finger, and I'm just going to create some lily pads. And I can even put some back here because there's water back there too. You don't want more than about 6 or 7 lily pads. I got a lily pad there and a lily pad there. Perfect. Now, again, it doesn't matter. It's okay that my finger's dirty. That's okay. I'm going to go right into, I'm going to barely dip into this beautiful little fluorescent red. You can't see it here, but you can see it out from under the camera. It's a really pretty fluorescent red. And I'm just going to dip right in the center of that lily pad to create the illusion that there are little flowers on the lily pads. Okay? And if you notice, I didn't even dip again in the red. I actually had enough on my finger to do all the lily pads. And this is it. And then we're done with this. And this is our little Monet piece. That is we call this an impressionist style of painting because it's not real detailed, but you can kind of tell what it is. So, all right, have fun. When you're done, you will bring this to the drying rack, and you will get a wipe, and you will clean off your one finger. You should only have one finger dirty today. All right, have fun.